Hey babies, this is the warm mist humidifier from Vicks that I received from Try It Sampling for me to test for my opinions. So I didn't want to get out here and rush because I was sitting up here trying to prepare for doctors. So tomorrow I don't have to do it, so I'm going to product test this. But it came with this pad, and this pad will go in this little spot right here. Let me see. I'm trying to move this. So here's the door, and let me see. You're supposed to rip this open, take it out, put it into this slot, I believe. Oh, shoot. And then attach it back into this area. Now, to me, I guess that's what it's going to have to be. Because that's how it is. So I'll put this back in here. So it snaps in to place like this. And I'll close it up. And then I'll add my water to the reservoir and plug it up. And then it'll send out the Vicks scent through the humidifier. And then I'll breathe it in all night. So I'll let you know how that works for me. I have a humidifier on my CPAP machine that I use sometimes. So that'll work. And then they gave me some coupons. This is $1 off the digital thermometer. $1.50 off the humidifier. Really, this right here is a slap in the face. I would never buy a machine and take a coupon that's $1.50 off. I mean, it's no point in me even buying the machine. That's an insult. You should have gave $10, $15 off. But this is for the Vapor Steam. Produces medicated steam that helps to relieve a cough. So I'm going to use this with my over-the-counter stuff this month. And then we have 75 cents off of any Vapor pad. And that was a Vapor pad that I stuck in this slot over here. And I showed you me putting it in. That's a Vapor pad. And it comes in soothing menthol vapors, which I'm smelling now. I like to smell a bit, so I can work with it. Sleepy time comfort or calming vapors. And when I buy it, I plan on getting sleepy time comfort. So that's what I plan on doing with my over-the-health counter cards. So I will be testing this out tonight. I'm going to put some water in it and do what I got to do. And then I'll be back with y'all tomorrow to let you know how my sleep was. So if you've had any interactions with Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier, oh, of course it comes with instruction, but let's not forget that. But if you've had any interactions with this product, whether positive or negative, please share. Share all your opinions. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'm going to get back with you later on. So, please, 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 if you've had any type of interactions, please share them with me. I'll see you later. Next time.